Why so fast? So we sit in the parking lot or in the street and watch it go up and go up and
Yeah, it's too much work. Why are you angry?
Why are you angry? Oh,
Twice, yeah.
oh no.
Always have twice.
Oh.
Relax. Happy now? Donkeys are always happy.
Happy?
What Carlos was telling me.
Hottest balls over there.
Had they owned it for a while?
In the 13 years or Wait a minute, nobody?
The sparkling water. Cherry sparkling or.
One?
I'm good. Did you want? I'm good. What about next? Beer.
That's a nice little cover for him.
Thank you.
That sounds pretty good.
Pretty woman, I couldn't help but see. Pretty woman.
You can. And kind of see a different layout on Red Oak. I bought the house a couple years ago, and it's just trying to see
Oh, good for you. Is it on Red Oak or Coe?
Red Oak. It's straight up.
Oh, we cannot use.
You can just cut it off.
How many?
2.
Okay. Wow, this is so bad.
need plate. One, two, plate.
Yeah. I just. Oh, busy. Wow. You would get strange.
Cooking cream.
Oil. Yummy. Make sure you get the name in there. Mr. Safi.
Mr. Stop it. I already checked.
You already checked?
Yes.
Okay, well, thank you. What do you want? Creamy, juicy, powerful? I go with that.
which one?
Tropical. I usually do pineapple.
To pineapple?
Red pineapple.
Oh.
Red ounce. And then a berry, sorry, cranberry?
Mm-hmm.
Cranberry and 12 ounces as well.
Okay, do you want a free supplement in either of those?
Juice. Please.
In both?
Yeah.
Perfect.
와.
Can't see. Now I can see.
Yummy.
You don't know. That's okay. I know where I am going.
We are going home.
We are going home. Yes, we are.
Mm-hmm.
Cozy.
Hello.
How's it going?
Welcoming.
Are these those are they gas or electric?
Electric.
I have the hookup for electric. The LG.
LG and Samsung.
LG and Samsung. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You when you connect it, so the four need to take them away.
Oh, these are walking the drum spinning.
이 세탁기를 사러 왔어요.
When she puts everything in their place.
Perfect.
Okay.
Let's go. Thank you.
How are you doing?
You good by yourself?
Good. Do you already have a quote in here for this? You kind of knew what you wanted. You just did all your research.
I've been doing it online before.
You know what? That is so awesome.
Last couple
How
of
many
days.
people come in? They're like they need a full education.